Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Yaiba means blade or sword. Kimetsu is a made-up word that consists of ki, demon, and metsu, destroy. Kimetsu, demon destroying. Kimetsu no Yaiba, demon destroying blade.
JoJo no 奇妙な冒険.
Bouken is adventure. Kimyou means strange or odd. Kimyou na Bouken, a strange adventure. JoJo is a name. JoJo. JoJo no, JoJo's. JoJo no Kimyou na Bouken, JoJo's bizarre adventure.
この素晴らしい世界に祝福を.
Sekai is world. Subarashi means wonderful. Subarashi sekai, a wonderful world. Kono means this and must be followed by a word. Kono subarashi sekai, this wonderful world. Kono subarashi sekai ni, in this wonderful world, or on this wonderful world. Shukufuku is a blessing, and shukufuku wo shows that there is at least a verb following and the sentence is incomplete. The missing word can be, for example, to give, as in giving one's blessing. This makes the title open-ended and gives it a unique vibe, because it makes you wonder. Also, in the Japanese culture, sentences ending with wo are often interpreted in the meaning of wishing something. For example, Yoi otoshi wo, have a happy new year, is short for Yoi otoshi wo umukai kudasai. Kono subarashi sekai ni shukufuku wo, a blessing on this wonderful world.
Kusuriya no Hitorigoto.
Kusuriya can refer both to a pharmacy as well as a pharmacist, but in this context it means pharmacist or apothecary. Kusuri is medicine, and ya, when it's attached to something, adds the meaning of shop or occupation. Hitorigoto means monologue or speaking to oneself. Kusuriya no Hitorigoto, apothecary's monologue.
Ijiranaide, Nagatoro-san.
Ijiru means to tease or to make fun of. And naide is used to ask someone not to do something. Ijiranaide, please don't tease me. Nagatoro is a surname, Nagatoro. And san, used thereafter a person's name, adds the meaning of Mr., Miss, etc. Nagatoro-san, Miss Nagatoro. Ijiranaide, Nagatoro-san. Please don't tease me, Miss Nagatoro.